Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to get your refund on Cash App. Basically guys, Cash App is an application that allows you to make transfer between money, so send money, receive money, send cryptocurrencies and much more. Sometimes, guys, you will need to get a refund if you bought something you didn't like or something like that. So, how we can actually get our refund from Cash App? That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So, before guys we start this video, make sure to watch it from the beginning till the end so you understand everything 100% and you don't miss anything. And without further talking, let's get started with this video. So, the first thing right now we need you to do is open your application. So as you can see, here it is. And now for us to let me show you real quick a brief about Cash App before we get started. So basically, if you want to pay something, click here to pay. So you just have to put here the amount of money, click on pay, not now. Here you put to whom you want to pay. So just for example, gas tag, phone, email, etc. And here are notes. And then for example, here I'm going to type something like that and let's confirm this one, then click on pay and you shall pay it that way. Now how we can actually get our refund of something that we paid for or we bought and we didn't like for. But first of all, you need to go to here and see if you had any results in here. So this is like your history transitions. If you had the history transitions available, you will have it in here and you will see everything in here. It's like typically the same as your browsing history. Now basically there is an option that will be over here next to like your transition. If you bought something you will get an opportunity to refund it, so you can click on it and then you will get your refund within 3 days after you confirm everything like your phone number, your email, and then you receive a code. And it is kind of complicated, but by the end you receive your money back. And of course, it is limited. So, for example, let's say that you bought something from Amazon about like $200. Well, you can't really get it all back. You will just have like a percentage of it back. Now, if I clicked over here, and now let's go to the home page. So let's go to the home page real quick over here. Now you see this icon over here, which is this one over here, as you can see. Click on it, and then you will have these options. So as you can see here, now what you need to do is click on support and now click here, search for refund, as you can see here. Now as you can see, there is refunded payments here, refunded payments, refunding payments, and canceling payments. So there is multiple options. We will go through all of them in this video guys. So let's start with refunded payments. So basically if I click on refunded payments, refunded payments are returned instantly to your Cash App. So every money that you have actually bought with Cash App and you refunded it, it will not go back to your actual bank account. It will be at your Cash App, so it will not be at your bank account. So make sure that you have this idea in your brain. Now, how to get your the refund? That's what I'm going to show you now. So click on support again, search for refund, and we are going to find it there. So refund, and here there is refund the payments. So how to refund the payment? So tap the activity tab on your Cash App home screen, select the payment, tap 3 points, select refund, and then press OK. So this is the same that I have showed you. So like going to here, so let me just close this, going to here, and you will find like the transition here, you will find 3 point next to it, click on it, you will find refund in the options, click on it and click OK, and your refund shall be received. So sometimes your refund will not be received. What should we do in that case? We can go to support again, and here click on chat. So here we can click plus to actually like choose something to send. Let me just go back real quick. So here I am. Now we can here text like the support. So let's try for here to start with support. Hello, I want to get a refund. For example. So we will notify you of your new messages and your history will always be available. How can I get it? And then click on send. And here like you're talking now with the support, so all you need to do now is wait for the support to actually see your message. So hey, hi, first we need to know what transaction. So here you go ahead and click here to pick a transaction. So as you can see here, now as you can see, I don't really have any transaction in my account, so all you need to do in your case is just click and pick your transaction. So here I'm going to choose, for example, the first one, the latest one, and send. And just like so, guys, I will get you to someone who can help. It may take a few minutes, but you don't have to wait. We will notify you when they reply. So you can just cancel your application and go do your job, and they will notify you with like a message or something like that when you come back. So here we go. Here they're like, hey, hi, Aaron here. Give me just a moment while I check your account. Like this is a support to talk with. So here they are. To help us look into this, please provide more details about your presented issue. Tap below to select the transaction related to your issue. If needed, you can select multiple transactions. So like you can even like get a refund of multiple transactions instead of like one at once. So you can get a refund of all the transactions you have done, but like in like you don't really get a refund of like a huge amount of money. So make sure you can't really get a refund of a huge amount of money. And the second thing, guys, if you send Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to someone else, like beside, for example, let's say you have sent some Bitcoin to your friend. Now you can't really get the refund from Cash App because you didn't really have or send the money to Cash App uh, platform. You send the money to your friend. So in that case, you can't really get the money back. But in case you sent like real money, normal money to a friend, you can in that case get your money back from Cash App because they will take it back from his account and give it to you. But in case of cryptocurrencies, they don't really have the access to their wallet, so they won't really get the money back. So make sure that you are not using cryptocurrencies in case you wanted to buy something and you think that you might want to get it refunded. So these are the tips that I highly recommend you guys to notice and to make like calculation for them. Now, so that was it, guys. This is like how you can get refund on the actual Cash App. So I showed you like three ways, which is by contacting the support, clicking here in this area and getting your search history, and of course by going to here, refund, and basically they will show you everything in the sports area. So you just have to search for the sports, search for refund, and here you might have all the information that you will need for a refund. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you had any problem during this video or questions about this video, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions so I can give you all the solution for your problems. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and once again, guys, make sure to rewatch the video if you had any kind of problems, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.